This is a review of the JBL Battery 200 that we're going to be doing a review and test on. In this review and test, we're going to show you guys everything about this. So if you own a JBL PartyBox 120, this thing right over here would definitely do the job. If you're looking for a replacement set, this right over here is the genuine JBL Battery 200 that if you're looking for a replacement, you can replace it. Or if you're looking for additional batteries, this right over here would definitely do the job as well too. As you guys know, this is, this right over here is something that's very important to have for your JBL PartyBox 120 if you're wanting to keep the party jamming longer. And then, these batteries would definitely do the job. But what we're going to do now is that we're going to show you guys how easy it is to put it into your JBL PartyBox 120. Okay, so to install the battery into your JBL PartyBox 120 is, relatively very easy and simple. All I have to do is open this thing right over here. Just open it like that. And just like that, you see this battery that I have right over here. You just, put it inside just like that. And just close it up like that, and you're just, done. And now you can have the party jamming. Now, one thing I do want to say is that the JBL PartyBox 120, what I love about the JBL 200 battery is that you could have a 10-minute charge, a fast charge that will give your JBL PartyBox 120 another 80 minutes of playtime. And this battery is enough for up to 12 hours of playtime, which means that you could keep the party going up for up to 24 hours, which is really cool and handful to have. Especially if you own additional JBL batteries, then this would definitely come into hand. I would definitely recommend the JBL Battery 200 if you're looking for a replacement set or additional batteries. Then this right over here would definitely do the job for you, and I would definitely recommend this product since it is also the genuine JBL battery as well too.